Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make authentic Ghanaian light soup. Yes, this is going to be a really easy one, so please stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we're going to start by blending some vegetables. So in this blender, I have onion, pepper, garlic right here, and I'm gonna cut about 2 large tomatoes, and we're gonna add in there, and we're gonna blend it into a very nice and smooth consistency. In our cooking pot, we're gonna be adding smoked turkey wings and turkey drumstick, and also I'm adding here fresh blue crabs. With this recipe, you can use any preferred meat of your choice, and I have here fermented fish. Next, I'm going to be adding my favorite seasoning, and this is all natural herb seasoning, and that is chopped onion, ground ginger, and I have here chili pepper, and I'm adding salt. I really love my pink salt, it's the best. Alright, so next, after you season everything, go ahead and pour your blended vegetables in there. And also friends, you can use your preferred seasoning that you have at home, and after it is all done, you can just go ahead and cover and have it steamed for about 25 minutes. Alright, so on this part we're going to use tomato paste, but if you prefer to use the fresh one, feel free and do that. But I just want to make it a really quick and delicious, light soup. That's why I'm just using this, but usually you can add some few vegetables in your soup if that's what you like. So we're going to be adding about 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I'm adding here warm water, and I'm going to mix everything really well. So after we mix everything, we're just going to leave it aside because soon it's going to be going into the soup. So you can tell right here that our soup is nicely cooked. It's steaming really beautifully, and the taste and the smell is just amazing. So I'm adding here water in here, and after I added water, I'm going to add my tomato, and that is what we're going to use for our soup. Easy, right? Yeah, so you can easily make this. And I have here my smoked tilapia, and also I have here some smoked catfish that I'm adding as well. Yes, this soup is going to be really tasty, like I said, you can even tell. And also I'm adding in here my Adwene fruit, that is percocet, and I'm adding extra water just to make sure that I have enough to prepare this delicious soup right here. And after that, make sure that you cover and have it boil for about 25 to 30 minutes, okay? And that when your soup is ready, look at how beautiful and tasty this soup looks. So at this point, you can just go ahead and get your fufu ready, or your kinke, whatever you want to enjoy with this amazing soup. Just feel free and then do that. So as you can tell, we have fufu right here, and of course light soup usually go really well with fufu, but you can eat with rice, you can eat with potatoes, anything that you feel like you want to eat with. It's just up to you, or you can just serve it as it is, because this soup is just amazing, friends. This is the soup that you do not want to miss, okay? It's Nkwan, the way more busuanfo I just say dan kasa. The taste is just amazing, friends. And I hope that you really enjoy this amazing authentic Ghanaian light soup. And trust me, the percocet and everything in this soup will just wow you. Because this soup is just awesome. So I hope you really enjoy cooking with us, because there's nothing better than eating your own homemade. So thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day.